I am Miss Lola, also known as the Magic Wig Maker. Is it okay if I just go ahead and take your wig off? Clarissa has hair loss called Alopecia Areata. It's in spots, it's not her entire head. Because I did your hair for years in the salon and you had a head full of hair.
Yeah,
so what happened?
I think it's my medicine.
Medication is one of the reasons for like a sudden or gradual hair loss that's happening with you. And but we're not going to worry about that today. I have made this beautiful unit for you. See, I got a little bit of color, and you told me that you like a little color in your hair unit. As always, I make the unit up to about 95 or 99%, and when the client comes in, then I'll add clips or do any other adjustments. So you want to take your glasses off? If you're like me, you can't see very well without them, but let's see how this, because we took your measurements and did everything when you came in for your fitting. And all right. It fits her just like you had anticipated that it would. And this is a 3/4 topper. It's going to cover 3/4 of her head. Okay, Clarissa, how are you liking the style, the color? Do you want to put those glasses on as you need? Because I know I wear glasses too, especially for reading.
Yeah, that's the color.
Okay, all right, and we're going to get the style. Don't let this fool you. We got a beautiful style in mind for you. But first of all, we're going to measure where your clips are, or where they need to be. I have added clips to Clarissa's hair unit so that the clips fit her where they need to. Okay, here we go with our glasses again. Perfect. Clarissa. Oh my goodness, doesn't she look gorgeous? Oh! But now, most important is this hair. We're gonna make that look good, but you absolutely look gorgeous. You look wonderful. That is you.
What the word?
Oh my goodness, don't you look fantastic? Doesn't she look beautiful, everybody? Oh my goodness. And look how her hair unit turned out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She has to put her glasses on to see up close. Isn't this stunning? Just a new look. You look wonderful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think your hubby is gonna like that. He is going to say, who is this lady that's coming home to me?
He can think he cheating.
Uh-huh.
Think he cheating.
He's gonna think he's cheating. You like your new hair unit?
I love it.
Oh my goodness, and your beauty makeover. Oh, you look like a new woman. She is absolutely gorgeous. And this is what I can do for you too. Customize your unit to make you look your absolute best at any age. And my hair units and magical transformations will do it. Thank you guys so much again for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Clarissa, you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Take care.
I love it.
Oh, and I love you too, and I love making these transformations and these hair units come true for anyone who has hair loss. Take care, everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye now.